Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nflx stock or a Nflx INC. Now what lies ahead for this stock, because it has corrected a lot, no doubt about that, and as you can clearly see from the highs, 76% of correction is not at all a small thing. So it's a big deal that we are going to look at as far as the trend is concerned. So what lies ahead? Now to understand that, we need to understand the basic structure, then we can analyze this particular video and what are the targets that we are going to look at. So let's quickly analyze Nflx stock, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So if you are looking at this stock, you need to understand that the overall trend is intact. Okay, so there is no harm as far as the overall trend, and if you are a long-term investor in this particular stock, it has given you a steady return, even after the correction, 56,000%. and if you are looking at the top of 2021-22, more than nearly 200,000% kind of return. So it's a humongous return that the stock has given you in the past. Now if you are looking at the price chart, what you can see here, okay, we can simply connecting the dots and we can see what the price chart is telling you. So here we are. If I may adjust the line and connecting the dots, you will see something like this. You will definitely see a range, and the good thing is we are probably trading at the lower end of the range or very near to the lower end of the range. That's what we can see, right? So here we are. So if I may remove this, you can see how the stock has been moving and where we are right now. So probably the risk that you can see as far as the lower end of the range is concerned is very less, and you have your stop loss at $157. Please try not to go below $157 and consider this as your strict stop loss on the downside. Okay, don't try to do any fancy things, otherwise sometimes, because market is always uncertain. Okay, this is our job to analyze the market, but it does not give any assurance because of certain parameters, factors, whatever you may want to call it as, valuation, fundamental, technical. So these are certain parameters, but there is no agreement or there is no assurity that the stock market will respond the way we are thinking. The stock market will respond the way the stock market indigenous behavior and intellect is thinking, and it's going to move in the same way. Anyways, with a stop loss of $157 on the downside, please don't go below this. The big target that we are looking at as far as the upside is concerned will be in between 1700 and 3900 or 4000 in the upcoming years. Okay, I'm saying in the upcoming years. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big trend or the big target. Or let me just adjust this a bit. Sometime people get offensive. So if I may adjust these moves, here we are. If I may adjust these moves, here we are. Okay, so this is probably the right way, because in this way we can become a bit more conservative, and yeah, so the big target that we are looking here will be in between 1300 and 3900 or $4000 in the upcoming year. So there lies a big opportunity. If things works out, you can see how far and how big it can go in the upcoming years as far as Nflx stock is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.